Today is all about apple cider vinegar. We're going to look at the benefits, we're going to look at why I take it, and then we're going to mix up my personal recipe that I love. Let's get to mixing. So why apple cider vinegar? There are lots of uses, both externally and internally. I'm sure you've heard of using it on your feet, on your hair, on your skin. You can clean up all kinds of things with it, clean windows. But today we're going to talk about the internal uses. And there's a host of reasons out there. I've looked at a lot, I've researched, and I've decided there's some that I really care about, and I've listed those here. And they're not in any particular order, but I'm really concerned with my health, obviously, and so anything I can do that's inexpensive and easy to do and it might work, I'm going to give it a try. So I've been trying apple cider vinegar with my recipe for about a week, and I can't say as I've noticed a difference, but it isn't hurting anything. So I'm going to continue to take it, and I'll let you know what my results are, if I feel any effects, if it's good or bad. I'll be sure and let you know. So I want to share my recipe with you, and I tried a lot, probably 8 or 10 different recipes that I found, and this one in particular, it's almost like I could drink it with a meal. You taste no vinegar whatsoever. It could just be me. I'll list the recipe, but give it a try and see what you think. Leave me a comment and tell me if it's as good as I say. So my ingredients for my recipe are Bragg's apple cider with the mother. I use lime juice, bottled water, just a little bit of ginger, and then stevia or a stevia knockoff, Truvia, and that's it. So I'll go ahead and mix it up for you, and we'll give it a try, and we'll see what you think. So I've already measured out my apple cider vinegar and my lime juice. I used 2 tablespoons of each, or equal parts, so if you want to use just 1 tablespoon of vinegar, you can use that, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So that's already mixed up. And we're going to pour it in a glass. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And the ginger, there's health benefits to ginger, but to me it's really more about the taste. It really just adds a little zing to the flavor, helps cover up the vinegar, and I don't know, it's good for me. So that's why I use ginger. I throw in a little bit of stevia, or in this case, Truvia. And then a little bit of water, bottled water, cold bottled water. And then I'm going to give it a mix with my cool mixer. The only reason I use this is because it's fun. And it adds a little bit of froth. It's just kind of fun for me. And sometimes if you put, like I've used cinnamon before, it just doesn't mix very well. So I like to throw in ginger. In my case, I stopped using cinnamon, and just throw a little, mini mixer on it. Make sure all those powders are mixed up, which is good. And then I just top it off, so it's about 8 ounces of water. So in this case, about half a glass in a 16-ounce glass. And give it another quick mix. And that's it. So apple cider vinegar, a little bit of lime juice, some ginger, a little stevia, and some water. A quick mix. Let's give it a try. That is really good. It almost tastes like, it does taste like a limeade, is the taste I get from it. Just a real strong limeade. Absolutely no vinegar taste whatsoever. So I highly recommend it. And let me know what you think. We'll see you next time.